Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 17th of February. All right, looking at yesterday's trading session, we had data come in locally from Australia. We saw our employment change number coming at negative 11,500 jobs. That missed the mark quite a bit to the 19.8 new jobs which we were expecting, and also unemployment rate increased to 3.7%. Consequently, Aussie dollar did take a bit of a hit yesterday, dipping underneath the 69 handle, but overall recovering somewhat in the last couple of hours, so it's only dropped around about 25 odd pips for the session against the US dollar. From the US, we saw the core PPI number come in at 0.5% and the PPI number at 0.7%, which were both positives for the US dollar. That's pretty much all that's happened yesterday. Let's move along to our chart of the day. Now, the chart that I showed you yesterday, that made a little bit of a lower low, but it still is in play, so keep it in your watch list. It may still set up today or on Monday. Okay, but this morning I'm just focusing my attention to a different chart, and I'm looking at the ASX 200 on a daily time scale. Now, this is set up really nicely. Now we can clearly see that this chart is in uptrend. Okay, our highs are getting higher and our lows are getting lower, and it's got that nice motion pulling back into dips, pushing forward and then pulling back, and hopefully we can get a buy signal in there. Now, if you have a look at the two candles that I've highlighted, we have the setup that we're looking for. This is an inside candle situation, so if we look at it from this point, for example, it's coming down, it provides us a reversal pattern confirmation. So in other words, that it increases the probability that it may shoot in this direction, and it is also in continuation of the trend. So this one is set, ready to go. When the market opens today, what you need to do is place a pending buy at the break of the inside candle, and should we trigger, then that's it, we're in this trade. Now, also note that if we should break the low of the inside candle before we enter the trade, so for example, if the market opens over here and then pushes down, breaking that low, then you need to cancel out the order and it's not a valid trade. Okay, no damage done. We won't be in this particular trade. So look out for that. So there you have it. That is our chart of the day. It's the ASX 200 on the daily time scale. What's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? Well, it's slow end to the week, no data scheduled for today, so pretty much that wraps up for this morning, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a great trading day, have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you on Monday for the daily call. Bye for now.